Bill Goudy checking in. Another beautiful, beautiful day. Got a lot of work to do. In fact, I overslept an hour or two. I usually get up about sunrise. Yeah, it's a little after sunrise now. But I got a lot of work done yesterday. Virgil was down, caught some catfish. How'd you do?
7.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're looking good.
The only thing really coming down the river was that real green slimy ball.
That there is 35 pounds of total weight. I don't know, I suppose. I don't know, that's probably the biggest one right there. There's a couple of them that are pretty good size. Probably 5-6 pounders. That one there is pretty good too. Awesome. Using gut, fishing from shore. The river's still way out of the banks. Crest is coming down. Yeah, it's floods. I don't know, 5 foot over flood stage, I think. All right, well, I'm gonna have me a quick breakfast this morning, and but I thought maybe you'd want to check it out. Well, you just check it out. I'll just show you. Thank you, Calvin. Calvin Corner 72 gave me that. Deep in the Woods 73 sent me this Mora knife. Thank you, sir. This is a YouTube breakfast. C.D. Morgan sent me the Cupacabre rub. Calvin's sent me that lighter. Yeah, look at that. I got to turn that vent fan back on. I got the back door open, and I got the window open. So, but I got to turn the fan on so it doesn't smell up in here. Oh, look at the goodness. Yeah, you heard me say it. Let me get a fork out here. Let's just give this a try. I like it. Oh, look at that. Oh, my favorite. It's my favorite. Let's try one of these sausages with that Copacabra seasoning in it. Oh, wow. That is nice. That's a nice touch, but you know what I got to do? No breakfast is complete without a little Texas Pete. Oh yeah. Let's give that a try. The peppers are tender. Carolina Chris got me introduced to this Texas Pete. He started it all, and him and Calvin sent me that because I couldn't get it. Well, now I can get it in my area, but I couldn't get it before. I'll tell you somebody else who sent me some, a booger. She sent me all kinds of assorted hot sauces, and I've yet to do a video on that, but that's coming. Well, you can see I got a little bit of Texas Pete left. This is a true YouTube breakfast. All the support from all my viewers. Thank you so much. That is so good. Listen, I've got a busy day planned. Been busy around here. It really has. Spring has sprung. River's high, too high to get the boat out. Yeah. So might as well get some trimming done. Gotta go. Talk at you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bill Goudy out.